Taking a quick ride to a cool spot I saw down by the seaport. It's a mural. I'm gonna try to get some photos. When you see the mural, you'll know. I figured it would be a good message to put out there for other people with the Zoos bike. So we gotta try to build this New York City Zoos community. Cut these trees back, they're getting a little low. All right, so here we are, the murals, some cool ones. This is the one I want, obviously. Yellow and black. Let's see how it looks. I might have to throw some Michael Jackson music on this fucking video. Let me switch to the chest mount for the ride home. But that's all I wanted, just that. There it is. Yeah, these are pretty cool. I've seen this artist before. She does some good shit. I've seen her work before. Con Art Studio. She's all around the Lower East Side. She's got this same kind of style. That figure, the female figure with the eyeball, with like multiple eyeballs. It's pretty cool. Just a quick run for a photo. So that's it. I'm gonna head home and edit those photos and put together this quick little video. The things we do for content. That's why you gotta like and subscribe, leave comments, share, all that good shit. Yeah, so I guess the point is, other zoos owners out there, you're not alone. Come find your people. Come ride with us. Join the Zoos Club and hang with us. You're not alone.